We're at Glacier National Park. We're gonna do a super duper scary hike for me. For Alec is fine. Don't make fun of me, bro.
Super duper.
I'm scared. I talk stupid when I get scared. Wish me luck. So, the concept of 1% better every day is just do something, anything that you normally won't do that'll make you a tiny bit better. That's it. It can be anything. Like today, I'm trying to face my fear of heights. And I'm doing it. I'm scared, but I just gotta do it, you know? And slowly I've worked my way to doing more stuff like this. There's a 12-mile hike and I'm into it. I started this trip at 162 pounds and I'm down to 230. Or I meant to say 262, and I'm down to 230, so I'm pretty proud, and I still got a long ways to go, so remember, just 1% better. 9 miles in, 3 more to go. I'm dying, and all I can think about is I haven't cooked in a while. I said I was gonna cook, so I'm gonna make some barbacoa tonight, and it's gonna be delicious after this stupid 12-mile hike that Alec made me come on. Yeah. For the masa, they usually have measurements, but I'm just gonna do what I like to call abuelitas touch, where you just kind of eyeball it and try to get it right. Abuelita! Just kind of got to get it all over your hands. So this is how they look. They come out and you flatten them into this. But do a tortilla. This is how my abuelita taught me. You just kind of smash it going back and forth and it'll flatten out. And you'll get like a nice, it'll start just getting rounder and rounder and you just get however thick you want. Blah, blah, blah. I was thinking about why I really enjoy cooking. And I think this might be oversharing, but when I was a young kid, you know, it's the only thing that I remember of my grandma, or like with my grandpa, it was just cooking, making food. And when I was in high school, it kind of transitioned that into me and my mom. It was the only time that we ever really spent time together was cooking. And I was just thinking about that. And I think that's why I think I love to cook. It just brings me back and it makes me feel like that. And I love that. And I think that's why I love cooking. And even here on the bus, you know, this isn't easy stuff to make. And I'm really happy that Alec is super down with it. Obviously because he likes to eat all this shit. But it really does make me feel a lot better to cook. So I hope this turns out good. This is all falling apart, so I hope it turns out good. Alec doesn't think the meat's gonna cook in there, and now I'm all shook up. But I have faith. Alright, moment of truth. Moment of truth.
Hurry up.
Oh, that's hot.
No shit, so hurry up. Or use the aluminum foil.
It cooked.
Shit.
Alec, what would you rate this?
What gets a 10?
Mexican restaurant.
That we went to underneath that supermarket?
Yeah.
I'll give this a 7.
Okay. So, I didn't quite succeed in making the meat the way that I wanted to make it, but a 7 from Alec is A-okay with me.
You're tasty, bro.